So the first condition in JavaScript is if else. तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं if else in JavaScript. तो JavaScript में the first conditions are if else. So if else conditions कैसे होती हैं in JavaScript? चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. So let's say मेरे पास एक नंबर है where x which is a positive number. So I want to print the output अगर ये positive हो, अगर ये negative है, so I don't want to print. So let's say I'm writing console.log that number is x. So see, I can see x is my console window, browser console पे 3 print हो रहा है, but I only want अगर ये negative हो तो print ना हो. Like see, ये negative भी print हो रहा है. So then we have to use create a condition. तो condition create करने के लिए we use if. तो if से हम लोग एक condition create करते हैं. So like positive number की condition क्या होगी? If x is greater than 0. तो if x is greater than 0, then console.log x. See now, this is not printing, but if it's 3, ये print हो जाएगा. So conditions क्या करती हैं? आपके कोड के फ्लो को चेंज करते हैं. तो if के थ्रू वी कैन क्रिएट अ कंडीशन. अगर कंडीशन मैचिंग होगी if ब्लॉक की कंडीशन, if दिस इज मैचिंग, तो ये ब्लॉक ओपन हो जाएगा. सो इट्स लाइक अ की जिसके थ्रू एक डोर ओपन होता है. सो if has been matched, so this door will open. Okay, so this is how if condition is used in JavaScript. तो जावास्क्रिप्ट में यूजिंग एफ हम लोग कंडीशंस क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. लाइक टू फॉर नेगेटिव नंबर्स वी कैन राइट इफ एक्स इज लेस देन 0 तो उससे अब प्रिंट नहीं हो रहा, बट इफ इट्स -3 तो ये प्रिंट हो जाएगा. सो सी नाउ द आउटपुट इज -3 बिकॉज एक्स इज लेस देन 0. बट व्हाट इफ इट्स 0? तो कंडीशन मैच नहीं होगी. सो वी कैन राइट एक्स इज लेस देन इक्वल टू 0. इफ एक्स इज लेस देन इक्वल टू 0 तो नाउ ये प्रिंट हो जाएगा. Okay, so see, these are our condition in JavaScript. तो JavaScript में if के through we create some conditions. So if के through हमारी conditions create हो जाएंगी. Now after if we also have else statement. तो if के बाद एक else statement होती है. Let's say if condition is x greater than 0, so just print its positive number. ठीक है? Else print negative number. So see, for mine 0 it's showing negative, which is false. For 9 it will print positive, but for 0 it will print negative. Because if match नहीं हुआ तो if match नहीं होने पे else statement चलती है. We cannot directly start with else. This is a syntax error. So caught syntax error is that we cannot directly start with else. So if compulsory है, else is not compulsory. Without else भी if चल सकता है, but without if else नहीं चल सकता. ठीक है? So this is if, and if match नहीं होगा तो ये false वर्क करेगा. So for any positive number output will be positive, and for any negative number the output will be negative. But the thing is ये 100% सही नहीं है. For 0 again ये शो प्रिंट करेगा negative. अगर आप यहाँ प्रिंट करोगे तो ये शो करेगा positive. And let's say we have a string, let's say, so again this will print negative cause if condition match नहीं हो रही. So whenever if condition fails else will work. ठीक है? So basically it's like a condition situation जहाँ पे if first condition is match तो this will work. If this is failed then the second else will work. So else means when if is not matching. तो जब if match ना करे then else will work. So इसको थोड़ा सा और extend करते हैं further. तो this is a basic simple example for number if it's non-zero, but suppose it is 0, so हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? So we have to add more conditions. Like first condition, if is x double equal to 0, so this will print 0. Second, we can use in between else if or if. So let's say I'm using else if equal to 0, and this is positive number. So we can see that it print the output is positive, but for 0, see the output is 0 number. So it's 0. So first condition if is matched. So if match होगा तो else if will not work or same else will not work. But Let's say we are not using else if, we are using if blocks. So multiple if से क्या हो रहा है? We can see two outputs. First is 0, second is a positive number. Why 2? See the code flow. See, x is 0 and this condition is match. But this is again a if. तो ये भी match हो रहा है ना, because we have added a equal to. But if it's not there, see again we can say 0 and negative number, because if match नहीं होगा तो else will work. Now this else is the adjacent else of this if. तो जो if का adjacent else होता है like with this one, ये हमेशा अपने adjacent if का ही होगा. तो else इस if का adjacent है. So basically ये else तभी work करेगा when this if is not matching. So for these condition हमारा code proper work नहीं करेगा if we are using if. So that's why we use else if. So now else if कैसे work करेगा? If this condition matches, ये दोनों fail हो जाएंगी. If this is not matching, let's say it's positive. So first condition fail हो जाएगी. So this if is not working. Now this will match and ये work नहीं करेगा. And suppose it's a negative value number. So the last one is negative. So sorry, it's 0 there, -3. So now we can see negative number. But this all condition will only work if it is a number. अगर number है, then this will work. So let's say this is a string. So we can see the expected output is negative. Why negative? Because ये if और ये else if दोनों के दोनों fail हो गए हैं. So else basically सबके लिए होता है. Means it's a general condition for all. जब condition if और else if की fail होती है. So when they are not matching, ये automatically negative print कर देगा. So इसके लिए भी आप एक further condition add कर सकते हो, or you can use nested else if. Like, so we create a condition if is not a number who x, then do this, else do this. So if is not a number who x, so print console.log not a number. See now we can say not a number, then negative number is also there क्योंकि ये भी work कर रहा है. So now we can do one thing, we can cut this and put into else block. This is nested if else. So one easier way is this, हम ये कर सकते हैं. So we can only see now not a number. So if it's not a number, then this will work. But if it's a number, so if will work. Or we can use another thing, like, so we already have this code. So instead of using nested if else, I'm using another if. Is not a number x. Okay, then see now again the output is same. So it's showing positive number, but for a string, this will show not a number. Now this and this both will give same output, but this is much more performance oriented. So this is fast and then this one. Reason in this first if block, if it's matching, then else and else if and else will not work. So basically like the means how a computer is processing. So in JavaScript we have a single thread. So if it's not a number, this will work. But if it's a number, then this will work. But there he has to work. If it's not a number, then console.log. But if it's a number, so first else will work and then another condition will work. So we have two processes here and there we have a single process. Okay, so this is far better than this one, just performance oriented, but just a little bit, not more than. So we always start with the if condition. तो पहला कोड आपका कहाँ से शुरू होगा? With the if. So if condition matches, like see this, if age is 12 and condition is age should be less than 18, so this condition will match. So if is working, but suppose the same age is 20. Now if is not working, for that we have else statement. So else will only work after if, and this is called nested one. So this is the nested if else. Okay, so let's say we have to check a number is even number or odd number, and let's say the random number is I, 3. So first thing we have to check is it's a number or not. So first condition will be if it's not a number I, then not a number. Then let's check negative number. Okay, if it's a string, now we can see the output is not a number. Let's say it's a number 2. So this first condition. Now for even numbers we have x modulus 2 double equal to 0. So even number, and else odd number. So now for 2, why it's showing odd number? 1 second. X modulus 2 is 0. Type I. So see, it's even number. For 12, 3, the output is even odd number. Even for 0, this will print an even number. But again, there are some exceptions, like if it's false, it will show even number, because false आपका automatically 0 बन जाता है, ठीक है. If it's undefined, तो ये not a number में आ जाएगा. But if it's null, तो ये even number में आ जाता है, क्योंकि null को ये automatically modulus 2 0 मान लेता है. See this, null is not 0, but null is greater than or equal to 0. So this is a exception in JavaScript. Even null greater than 0 is also false. That's why null modulus 2 आपका 0 आ जाता है. So that is an exception. We have to check this. So always make sure यहाँ पे null नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है. So this is how if and else, and we can use multiple if else block. ठीक है. To check the performance, we have this performance measurement, but we will use this only in loop. If else में इतना ज़्यादा हमें इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. Now we can also use and or in if or else if. So let's say we have a situation where for male candidate, ठीक है, so if person is age should be between 20 to 25, and for a female candidate the age should be between 18 to, let's say, 22. ठीक है. So this is our criteria, and we have to write a if and else code. So let's say where gender is equal to m. ठीक है. So this can be a m string or f string. So we have to use m or f for gender. Let's say I'm using m. Where age is any random number, let's say it's 23. And now the first thing we have to check is it a number? So if is not a number, what? Age. So the output should be not a number. ठीक है. Second block, else if. And condition क्या है? For male, age should be 22 to 18, and for female, age should be 18 to 22. So now for this else if, let's say if gender is double equal to m. Now for age and operator use and. So and हमेशा left से start होगा. So first if this condition is matching, then and will work, and will check another thing. So second क्या check करेगा? Is our age greater than equal to 20, and age less than equal to 25. For that, just print. eligible. So we can see eligible here because age is 23, but for 20, again eligible, but for 18, we can see not eligible. So let's write a else statement. Not eligible. Okay. So this condition is for male. So if gender is male and age is greater than 20 equal to 20 and age is less than equal to 25. So let's say for 25 we can see eligible and for 26 we can see not eligible. So this is for the first condition. Second else if this condition fails, then check what? Gender double equal to F. If gender is female, again and operator, age less than equal to 18 and age should be greater than equal to 22. For this, print eligible. So for female 20, our output is not eligible. Why? Age less than 18. 1 second, 18 to 28. So gender is female. Okay. But why not eligible? Age is less than, sorry, age greater than equal to 18 and less than 22. So see, it's eligible. Now suppose age is 23, so we can see not eligible for female, but for male it's eligible. Okay. So this is a simple example where we are using AND operator. Now we can also merge these two lines of code. How? By using a single else if. How? This is the first condition. So either this one will match, or because a person can be male or female here, we don't have the third option. So we are writing this code in a single line and now eligible. So see, this is working for both. So there we are using or. So now if the person is male, first this condition will work. Now he is male, so then our interpreter will check whether age is greater than or equal to 20, and again he will check whether age is less than 25. So let's say this is 18. So now person is male, but age is not greater than 20, so he will go here. And again, this is not matching, so output will be not eligible. But if it's female, so first interpreter will check that gender is male or not, but it's not a male. So this condition will stop here and interpreter will check this now. So this is OR operator then. ठीक है, तो OR operator work करेगा, and we can also see eligible because female है and 18 से greater than है, and for the last age for female is 22, so 23 पे not eligible, till 22 we can see output is eligible. ठीक है, so using this we can also use if and else if block. ठीक है, so this is JavaScript if and else. So यहाँ पे हमने use किया if else with and or. There even odd, how to check even odd using if and else if, and this else if statement, and this nested else if, nested if else, and this is the basic example of if and else. So JavaScript में if else is also used for there's a term in JavaScript, feature detection. So in JavaScript, if else is also compulsory because we have to detect some feature. So for feature detection, we also use JavaScript. Let's say in ES5, we have a feature in JavaScript that is navigator.geolocation. Now, navigator.geolocation object is valid only in HTML5, means ES5 version of JavaScript. So this feature is not working in IE8. So what we have to do for IE8 browser, we use a if navigator.geolocation, then navigator.geolocation. get current position with two callbacks. Okay, so let's say function A and second is function B. So this is geolocation API. Okay, but if our browser is Internet Explorer 8 or below, so we use a else statement, then there console.log your or below browser. Please use latest browser. So this is called feature detection in JavaScript. So same like in video tag, we also have the same situation. See HTML5 audio and video. Now in video we have a feature of picture in picture, and there's also a feature of like full screen, request full screen. So now sometimes some browsers support WebKit request full screen, some browsers support request full screen. Let's see कैसे. So we have a video src the video, and these are the controls. Okay, so these are video tag and these are the controls. Now let's say we have a custom button for this feature, full screen. Okay, so might be this option is not available for all browser. So what we have to do, if video element, so to call the video element we have to use document dot query selector video. This is based on a click event now. So what type of code we have to use? If let's say this is a video element, if video dot this, then call this function. So if your browser supports request picture in picture, then only this will work. Okay, but else if, so might be your browser support the second function, which is WebKit request full screen. So if your browser support WebKit request full screen, then call this function. And suppose your browser is not supporting any one of them, so then console.log or a browser alert that full screen feature not available. Okay, so then there is an option that full screen feature is not available. So see, I'm using Chrome browser. So in Chrome browser, picture in picture is not supported. So this is showing picture in picture not supported, but full screen is available now. I think this is why, because I'm recording my screen, that's why. Okay, so this is called feature detection. So again, JavaScript is also used for feature detection. So we can also use if else for feature detection, because not all browsers support HTML5 video, not all browser supports these objects or functions. So if they support, then only this code will work. Otherwise, we have a different option for this. Okay, so this is how. So you can say cannot read property that of undefined. Why? Okay, we are not calling the element document dot query selector video. Okay, and call down for okay, we have to use this function when video is loaded, because अभी video load नहीं हुआ. So for that, ठीक है। So this is how we can use if else for feature detection in JavaScript। तो JavaScript में if else का एक और यूज भी है, that is called feature detection। तो फीचर्स को डिटेक्ट करके then we can use in front end, because हमारे ब्राउजर के जो फीचर्स होते हैं वो सेम नहीं होते। Like in Chrome browser you can see window dot on, about and some functions, but on Safari browser might be functionalities are different। Okay, so say this is my console। Now if I type window, so we can see some different objects like request full screen is not there, but WebKit request full screen is there। So see, WebKit request animation frame is there, but in this browser we have request animation frame। So Chrome browser supports this function, window dot request animation frame, and Firefox support both request animation frame and WebKit request animation frame। So these are feature detection, that using feature detection हम लोग JavaScript को use कर सकते हैं in a web browser by using if else। ठीक है, so this is JavaScript if and else।